20 miles per hour. Severe The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Washtenaw County, southern Wayne County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from downtown Detroit to Willis and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wyandotte and Southgate around 8:55 p.m. Brownstown Township and Riverview around 9:05 p.m. Woodhaven and Trenton around 9:10 p.m. Grosse Ile around 9:15 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Wyandotte, Trenton, Ypsilanti, Taylor, Romulus, Grosse Ile, Dearborn, Kenton, Belleville. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac.